Hello friends, welcome to the new video. So in the earlier video of topographical maps, what we studied from the NCERT book, and then I told you that I will read a paper where the numbering system of Indian topographical sheets are given in a quite detailed manner and a very legible way. So this is the paper, this is downloaded from the ResearchGate, you can see. So let's jump into the reading part. You can know about this author of this paper. Okay, now start. Geological Survey of India, a department under Ministry of Science and Technology of Government of India. तो जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया किसके अंडर आता है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. रिमेंबर दिस, जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया कम्स अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Like next previous time UGC net asked about the census conducts by which ministry or some like that question. So geological survey of India comes under Ministry of Science and Technology, and it is located, geological survey of India is located at Dehradun, right? And prepare topographic maps. The maps are in three different scales. One is 1:25,000, 1:50,000, and 1:250,000. All maps represent some particular area, and these are prepared from the top of the map towards north so that study of the map is easy. All the maps are numbered, and this system of sheet numbering by Survey of India is called India and Adjacent Countries series. We read this in NCERT 2. Each series is numbered to help to locate the areas of or places. For the purpose of an interaction series within 4° north to 40° north latitude and 44° east to 124° east at the scale of 10 lakh is considered as a base map, and this map is called million sheet map. So you can see, for the purpose of an interaction series within 4° north to 40° north latitude and 44° east to 124° east at the scale of 1:10 lakh is considered as a base map, and this map is called million sheet map. Okay, the million sheet map, which scale being 1:10 lakh, 1 lakh नहीं 10 lakh, सही बोला. The million sheet map, which scale being 1:10 lakh, 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer or 1:m, each covering 4° of longitude and latitude. So it's covering 4° of latitude and 4° of longitude, is known as million sheet map. That is 1:10 lakh, because we know 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million subscriber, you heard the term. The numbering of sheets in India is based on the number system of maps of India, and this series bears the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 136, consisting of the segments that cover only land area. These 136 such sheets cover India and adjacent countries, and these numbers are known as index numbers of the area. So just to cover the land area of India, we have 136 total million sheets. 136 million sheets are there to cover the entire India, that is physical India. The land part, or is that? Yes, right. So 136 million sheets you have to study the entire geographical land of India, excluding the sea. Okay, now For example, seat number, here you can see that those seats are numbered from 1, starting from 1, and it is going to 136, right? Now, okay, so specifically there no mention about the except C's or not, so ignore that point. Come to the main point. For example, seat number 79 is considered for further discussion. So here through one example, it has been discussed that how number system is given to the maps or the area. Okay, so here you will understand very clearly. Say for a million seat map, the extension is 4 into 4 degree latitude and longitude. So you will see, so for example 79 is the map number, so it is a million seat map definitely. So if the only number is given, say 1 or 2 or 3 or 79 like this, so definitely that indicates a million seat. Okay, it's considered for further discussion. Its extension is from 24 degree north to 28 degree north, and from 90 degree east to 94 degrees. So you can see in terms of latitude it is 4 degree, as well as in terms of longitude it is 4 degree too. Okay, so this is called as million seat map, or a seat of 4 degree into 4 degree, and the scale is 1:1 lakh. So remember these points, right? A million seat map has a extent of 4 degree into 4 degree, and its RF scale is 1:1 lakh, or 1 centimeter equal to 1 lakh kilometer, you can say, sorry, 1 lakh centimeter. So you have to convert it for the calculation of kilometer. So that is the million seat. Okay, now the million seat has been subdivided into 16 sections. So suppose a million seat is taken, and then that million seat, that means the 4 degree and 4 degree, will be subdivided into 16 sections like this. You can see the image very carefully, so that you will understand better. So we took this 79. We took this 79 from here. We are coming here. We took this 79. Oh no, sorry, I told you wrong. Sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, so we saw the earlier this picture. Okay, so from here we divided it into 16 parts. 79, we are dividing that 79 4 degree into 4 degree into 16 parts. So basically this is also representing 4 degree into 4 degree. Okay, 4 degree into 4 degree. Just we are dividing the entire grid into 16 parts in total. You can see 24 to 28 degree here, 24 to 28 degree, and 90 to 94 degree. So this is basically a million seat map, 4 into 4 degree, scale is 1:1 lakh. Okay, now so from here, now we have to, this is the base map. Million seat maps are base map. We are preparing this map. Okay, so we are taking this grid particularly. So say any grid within the 79 grid, so we are naming it as 79n. We are naming it as 79m. Now see, so this is, if the entire is 1 degree into 1 degree, now we are dividing it into 16 grids. So how many degrees we are getting here, right? So you can see that this is coming to here difference is 1 degree. Okay, and here difference is 1 degree, so we are getting total 4 degree, right? So the gap between this point, that means the latitudinal extent is 1 degree ho gaya. Okay, 1 degree, latitudinal gap is 1 degree. Now the entire longitudinal extent was 4 degree, so now we are dividing it into 4 equal parts. So latitudinal extent also became 1 degree, right? So that's why this seat is 1 degree into 1 degree, nothing else. This is it 79n. So आप नंबर सुन के ही बता सकते हो कि इस मैप का क्या एक्सटेंट है, राइट? तो जब एक नंबर के साथ एक लेटर अटैच्ड हो, जैसे कि ये 79a 79n. ओके, अब देखो ये जो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर है, इसका भी एक सीक्वेंस है. आप ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं दे सकते, A to P ही करना पड़ेगा आपको, ठीक है? 16 we dividing the entire million seat map into 16 parts, and we will rename the each grid as A to P only. So we are getting 79n. So this is a 1 degree into 1 degree seat, or we are calling it the scale is 1:250,000. The scale is 1:250,000. Sorry, I think I made some mistake earlier, right? I told it that again, repeating that mistake. 1 is to 1 lakh, not 1 lakh, right? 1 million means 10 lakh. Okay, so from 10 lakh we are coming into a we are making the it is a large scale map, you can say. As compared to this, it is a large scale map because it is only 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000. So from 10 lakh we are coming to 2 lakh 50,000, right? So this is the 1 is to or 1 degree into 1 degree sheet, you can say. 1 degree into 1 degree sheet, and the numbering is 79n, and the scale is 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000, from 10 lakh to 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, now 4, okay, 1/4. Now see, the million sheet has been subdivided into 16 sections, 4 row and 4 column, each of 1 degree latitude and 1 degree longitude, and each part is numbered with block capital letter of English alphabet A to P. Already I discussed. The sections start from northwest directions. You can see this is the northwest direction. So section in numbering will start from always from this northwest direction, right? Northwest direction. Run column wise, so run column wise, so you cannot go to row wise, you have to run column wise, that means vertically, not horizontally. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, like this. So this is run column wise, and in southeast direction. So and in southeast direction, so run column wise, and you have to end it here. This is the southeast direction. So figure 2. Okay, as we have discussed here. Now see, as the extension of each section is 1 degree latitude and 1 degree longitude, the scale of this sheet is 1 inch to 4 miles. So you should remember this one also, 1 inch to 4 miles, or 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000. So you can easily convert it, right? 1 inch equal to 50,000 inch. So now you have to divide, I think 636 like this. Okay, I have to check this, with which denominator we have to divide the inch to get the miles. I think 6360, right? Do let me in the comment section if you can remember. Okay, so that's why I get the 1 inch to 4 miles, or say 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000. The numbering of one of the sheet is 79n, as I show you. Its extension is from 26 degree north and 27 degree north, 1 degree gap only, and 93 degree east and 94 degree gap, so 4 degree east, so 1 degree gap only. So okay, so this is the 1 degree into 1 degree set, or scale is 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000, or 1 inch to 4 miles, right? So definitely first one was 1 is to 1 inch equal to 16 miles, right? Because this is the 1/4. Okay, we can say this is 79, this 79 is 1 inch equal to 16 miles. Okay, and now from here we are coming to the 1 inch equal to 4 miles, 1 inch equal to 4 miles. Now the 1 degree and 1 degree sheet are further subdivided into 4 parts, which is known as half inch sheet. Okay, so this is, you can say, also called inch sheet. This is half inch sheet, that is from 1 degree to 1 degree. Now from 1 degree are further subdivided into 4 parts, so we will divide this divide 79 by n into 4 parts, and we will call it as 1 inch inch sheet, because let us read. Okay, let us see. So where yes, so we'll got not inch sheet, which is called half inch sheet. We'll call it half inch sheet, because we divided it into 2 parts, right? So this side it was 1 inch, and this side it was 1 inch, so we are getting half inch. That's why it is called half inch sheet. This is the reason. And each of 30 minute latitude and 30 minute longitude, and the scale is 1 inch to 2 miles, or 1 is to 2 lakh 25,000, 1 is to 25,000, right? 25,000, because if you divide 2 lakh, what is that? 2 lakh 50,000 was there in the previous. Now we are dividing it by 4. So sorry, we are dividing it to 2. So 1 lakh 25,000, 1 lakh 25,000. 5,000. We are getting 1,25,000. So this is the half inch sheet. The scale is 1,25,000, not 20, just 25,000. 1,25,000, right? And we are calling it 1 degree into 1 degree sheets. That means 1 inch to half mile. Oh, sorry, 1 inch to 2 mile. 1 inch to 2 mile. And 1 inch to 4 miles, that is 1 degree sheets, right? This is half inch sheet. That means 30 degree 30 minute to extension is 30 minute to 30 minute, and we will be calling it as 1 inch to 2 miles, or 1 is to 2,50,000. 1 is to 2,50,000. These are called half inch sheets. Now these are identified with the help of cardinal direction, right? So here the image is also given. So this is the 79, and now we are dividing it into 4 directions. So we are giving naming again as per the direction. So northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast, and see the final number of the map. So 79 n and slash, then we are writing the direction. So this is a half inch sheet. The scale is 1 is to 2,50,000. 1 is to 2,50,000. So just fourth, okay, 1/4 of the inch sheet. So this scale here was 10 lakh. So here it will be, no, it will not be 10 lakh, na, you know, it can't be 10 lakh. One lakh, okay, it is showing 1 lakh, but I think something mistake is there. You can see here. So it has 10 lakh. So we are getting 1 is to 2,50,000. So definitely this is the 2,50,000 wala map. The scale here is 2,50,000 from 10 lakh to we are getting 2,50,000. The entire the scale here is 2,50,000, not 1 lakh. How can it be? Okay, and now if we consider this one, then the scale is also 1,25,000 to by 4. So we will get, not 1 lakh, right? We will get how much? The scale will be sorry, this was 2,50,000. So then from 2,50,000, the entire was 2,50,000. From 10 lakh to 2,50,000 divided into 4. Okay, and now again this is divided into 4 parts. So we are getting 2,50,000 by 2. So we are getting 1,25,000. So this part, suppose this part 79 n by e, the scale is 1 is to 1,25,000 hona chahiye tha. I don't know where is it written here. 1 is to 1 lakh. Now the 1 degree, so let's read, okay, so that I can get more understanding. Okay, let's check it. So these are identified with cardinal direction. These are called cardinal direction. Let us take the figure number 3. It is extended between 26 and 30 degree north to 27 degree north, and from 93 degree and 30 minutes east to 94 degrees. This is the this is talking about this figure. Now the 1 degree into 1 degree sheet can also be divided into 16 equal part or section. Okay, so we can divide it either into 4 parts or again into 16 parts. Again into 16 parts. This n can be divided into 4 parts or into 16 parts. This is the this is here talking about. Okay, because it is written ki also divided into 16 part, like shown here. Numbering from 1 to 16 and numbering from 1 to 16. So first we numbered from A to P, then 4 according to the cardinal direction, and here again 1 to 16 we are numbering in a column, and each 15 minute latitude and 15 minute longitude, because you know, this total was 1 degree. This total was 1 degree because we are taking this only. So this was 1 degree. So dividing into 4, so we are getting each one as 15 minutes. So here the extent is 15 minutes into 15 minutes. Okay, and this one's extent was 30 minutes into 30 minutes. Okay, so here the scale would be 1 inch to 1 mile, because the earlier one was 1 inch to 2 miles. So here it will be 1 inch to 1 mile, because again we are getting it divided into 4 parts. Or you can say earlier it was 13 degrees, so here it is getting half, so it will come into 1 inch to 1 mile, from 2 mile to 1 mile. Okay, Now see, here it is the mile, inch to mile. This is the conversion rate. So you have to divide the inch into 63360 to get the mile from inch to mile. Okay, so each part will have a scale 1 inch to mile or 1 inch to 63360, right? That means 1 inch equal to 63360 inch, or 1 inch equal to 1 mile, or 1 is to 50,000. This is in centimeter, you can say 1 is to 50,000, because earlier scale was what, 1 is to 25,000, but it is saying no, this is taking this one. So how it came, right? How it came? So we took this scale 10 lakh scale, right? So now 10 lakh is divided into 4 parts. So 10 lakh is divided into 4 parts. So basically we can say 10 lakh is divided into 4 parts. So if I divide this into 4, or what, no, basically you can see the 4 degree, from 4 degree to we are coming 30 minute, but not exact na. This is entire is the 4 degree and this is 1 degree. So 1 degree scale was 2,50,000, right? I actually did not get this point. I have to consider it later. I am leaving for now. Okay, just read and continue. This is also known as 30 minute to 30 minute scale, 1 is to 1 lakh 1 inch map, and this is the most common type of map produced by Survey of India, and the extension of the sheet is 79 n by 14 and is from 24 degree 30 minute north to 25 degree 93. Okay, so the 1 inch sheet can be divided into 4 sheets. Again, this 1 inch sheet, that means this one, sorry, this one 1 inch sheet, the 1 inch sheet can be divided into 4 sheets, each of 7 1 by 2 are numbered as northeast southeast. The scale of this sheet is 1 is to 25,000 or 1 inch to 1 half mile. These sheets are not very much common in use. So this one you can say. So we divided the n into 16 parts. We divided 79, then we divided into 16 parts. We divided into 16 parts, right? And then we got the n, and we divided the n into 16 parts again, and then again that one part. So this means 79 n by 14. This 14 part, okay, this one is again dividing into 4 parts. So we are getting this one, and the scale is 1 is to 25,000. So you can see this is the very very large scale map. You can see 74 n by 14 by northeast. So this is a very large scale map. You can say consider the scale 1 is to 25,000, right? Okay, see topographical maps with scales. Okay, so here you can, I think it can get clear that you can see there is no 1 lakh scale is here, you can see. So from 10 lakh from started, so we came to 2,50,000, then we came to 1,25,000. Then if it divided into 2, so we get 1 is to 50,000. Then again it divided into 2, so 1 is to 25,000. So this is the, and I told you ki 4 degree and 4 degree sheet must be 1 inch to 16 miles. So here it is written 16 miles. Then, and this is the million sheets. Okay, so million sheet scale should be 1 inch to 16 miles, and then 1 inch to 4 miles, then 1 inch to 2 miles, 1 inch to 1 miles, and 1 inch to half miles. So these are the sheets. So inch miles is inch sheets are this one, inch sheets, because 1 inch to 1 mile. So this is the inch sheet. Okay, you can say inch sheet map. Okay, confused there na. Let us check here. Half inch sheet and 1 inch to 1 miles is 25,000. Now see, here it is 1 lakh is to 1 lakh. So here you can see half inch sheet is right? So half inch sheet is 1,25,000. You can see this is half inch sheet 1,25,000, and here it is showing that 1 is to 25. It is okay na, it is okay. Here 1 is to 1 lakh. How is it came? I don't know. Okay, so maybe it is a mistake, or I don't know. I am misunderstanding. Okay, I will read it later, but just for this sake I hope you have understood something about the. Okay, so this quite is little bit confusing, right? And yeah, you can read this and come on Telegram to discuss with me personally or in the groups as well. We have so you can get the links in the about section. It is given that if you want to do personal message, you can type GOKG0 okay, इसमें आप you can message me or you can join the Telegram channel directly in the link given, that is Geography Nest. Okay, so what I said, I think the video was paused, so here talked about scale. This is the scale, right? This is, we got into dividing it 4 parts and it was 4 degrees. So this is 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, and it is also 1 degree. So this is 1 degree into 1 degree. Now 1 degree is getting divided into 16 parts, or you can say 4 parts. 1 degree is divided into 4 parts, so 1 degree is equal to 16 minutes. So each part here now representing 15 minute, right? 15 minute. So I think this is just here is a mistake of this scale. So now if we divide this scale was 2,50,000, right? This scale was 2,50,000. This is written here. Now if we divide this by 4, we will getting 62,500. So this scale of this map will be 1:62,500. Okay, in inch scale. So and here you can say this is confusing. This is also known as 30 minute to 30 minute scale on 1 inch map, and this is the most common type map produced by Sharp of India. It is talking about this one, okay, this northwest southeastern cardinal direction. And now the 1 inch sheet, and now this is talking about this one. 1 inch sheet is can be also divided into 4 sheets. So this is not 15 into 15 inch sheets, not divided into 4 sheets. Now these are getting into 16 parts, so we are getting 16 sheets. So here I think the mistake has occurred. You can see 15 minute into 15 minute can be divided into 4 parts. How? We are dividing the 30 minute, we are dividing the 30 minute, 1 degree into 4 parts, and then we are getting 16 parts in total. So we are getting 16 sheets now. How can it be 4 sheets? Now each of 7 1/2 and a number at north, east, southwest. The scale of sheet is 1:2 25,000 or 1 inch to half mile. These sheets are not very much in common use. Okay, so you can say how this 25,000 came. I think I am something misunderstanding or what, I don't know. But definitely you can comment me and tell me, or you can come on the Telegram and discuss with me also. Join our Telegram channel as well, right? You are welcome. So here it is that now the entire scale is 2,50,000. So but we cannot take now, we are dividing into 4 parts, it into 4 equal parts. So here it is 4, and in this side also 4. This side is 4, this side is 4 parts, and this side is 4 part 2. So we are basically divided 2,50,000. The scale will be 2,50,000 by 4. 2,50,000 by 4. Now it is coming 62. It can't come 25,000 now. If I divide it into 16 as well, so what will come? 4 is 16, 4 6 ja 24, and then 4 2 ja 8, and 4 5 ja 20, and then again 2 0. Now again if I divide, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, and 4 5 ja 20. So this is not coming to 25,000. I don't know how it is been calculated here. 15 inch into 15 sheet can be divided into 4 sheets. Okay, so I think it is saying that it is talking about this is 15 inch हो गया. Okay, this is 15 inch हो गया. Now this is 15 inch हो गया. Now it is talking about the 1 inch sheet. So this is the 1 inch. Yes, this is 1-inch sheet. This 1-inch sheet can be divided into 4 sheets. It's already discussed, na? This is the 4 sheet. What is he talking? I don't know. Yes, it was divided into n is divided into 4 sheets, na? Then again talking the each of 7 1 by 2 minute. Okay, so if we divide this 15 minute into 4 parts, then definitely we will get, suppose this is the 15 minute, so this is 15 minutes. So again, if we divide it into 4 parts, so basically we divide it into 2 parts, na? This entire 2 part here in from vertically and horizontally 2 parts. So it became the 7 minute and half second, you can say 7 minute and 7.5 minute, sorry, 7.5 minute or 7 minute and half second. So and numbered as northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So this scale of the sheet is 1:25,000. Yes, that was the misunderstood I think I made, right? So here 15 inch into divided into 2 equal parts or 4 parts, you can say. So it is again divided into 4. So and we are saying that suppose 14 is divided into 4. So here 79n by 14 already we got, 79n by 14 already we got. Now again 14 is divided into 4 parts. So again 79n 14 by divided by northeast. So this is northeast. Now what would be the scale? Because this scale of this map is 1 is to what? 1 is to this was 10 lakh, then 2,50,000, and then if we divide it into 4 parts, so from 2,50,000 we getting 62,500. So 62,500, it will not come, you know, it will not come 25,000. So how this 1 is to 25,000 is coming? How this 1 is to 25,000 is coming? These sheet are not very much in common. Okay, that is okay. Yeah, here it is shown. You can see here it is shown. Okay, let's consider this 14 is divided into 4 parts, just I showed you. So yeah, so the name is becoming like this, 74n by 14 divided by ne. Okay, this is coming now 7 minute and half 7.5 minute. Okay, 7.5 minute. Now this was the scale of 1 is to 25,000. This was the scale of 1 is to 25,000. Yes, so 1 is to 25,000. Now 25,000 is divided by 4. 25,000 is divided by, no, 2,50,000. Okay, so 2,50,000 is getting divided into 2 parts, no, not 4. Okay, 2,50,000 is divided into 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, then बट फिर भी तो नहीं आएगा ना, फिर भी तो नहीं हो रहा है. 25,000 यानी 1 लाख होना पड़ेगा. 4 में डिवाइड कर रहे तो हम, जैसे कि यहाँ पर जो 74 जब था, सॉरी आई थिंक हियर आई ऑल्सो मेड अ मिस्टेक, लेट अस चेक अगेन. जब 74 था तब इसका स्केल था 1 is to 10 lakh. ओके, 79 जब था तब इसका स्केल था 1 lakh 10 lakh. Now it was divided into A to P. Okay, then we get 79n. So now the scale became 1 degree. So 10 lakh to 2,50,000. 10 lakh to 2,50,000. The scale became 2,50,000. So here you can say, if we see here, so here the scale became, so just 74 by n. Here the scale became 2,50,000. Okay, now again that 74 by n is divided into 4 parts. Okay, or actually the total 16 parts. Okay, so the scale became 2,50,000 divided by 4. 2,50,000 divided by 4. So this is again 62,500 na. 62,500. This was the scale here, 62,500. Now Now okay, so we got this one, not this one, yes, we got this one, 74 n by 14, and the scale became 62,500. Now this 62,500 is getting divided into two parts. 62,500, so 62,500 is if getting divided into two parts, definitely it won't be 25,000, right? So 2 3 is a 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, and then 31,250 this is coming. But how it is coming to 1 is to 25,000? You know, here you can see 2,50,000. So from 2,50,000 to, I'm just not getting this. Okay, I'm not just not getting this. Now you see here. Okay, so here the all the getting divided by 2, not 2, this is by 4, and these are by 2, because from 1 is to 2 miles to 1 is to 25,000, right? 1 is to 4 miles. Okay, let us see again. This is divided into, so this is 1 inch to 4 miles. Okay, because we divided into 4. Okay, we divided into this is 1 inch to 4 miles, so we divided into 4, and then 1 inch to 4 miles getting divided, 1 inch to 4 miles getting divided into 4 parts again. I mean 2 parts. So you can say, but 70, it is not considered here, na? It is not, this number is not considering this division. It is also divided into 16 part, and we are considering this one. 79 n is divided into 16 part, not by 4 parts. Okay, if it is true, then so it's okay. Key one coming to 1 is to from 10 lakh to, not 10 lakh, this is from 10 lakh to 250,000, so to 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 is 2,50,000. So 1,25,000 it will come, 1,25,000. This scale coming 1,25,000. So that is a different thing talking about 1,25,000. And this is not the scale of 1,25,000, because this represents the scale of 1,25,000. This, because it came from 2,50,000. Now again here see 2,50,000, we are coming this 16 division. So if I divide the 2,50,000, we are getting 2,50,000 is getting divided into 4. 62, 2,50,000 getting divided into 4. 62,500, right? Yes. Okay, I think some mistakes has happened here in this paper, I don't know. So this is 2,50,000, and then okay, so 2,25,000. Okay, so now it is becoming half and half again. Okay, whatever it is, if you understood, you can clarify it by commenting below, and again I will consult other sources, and if I get any if I get clear my concept, definitely I will later record a video and I will share with you, no issue. But remember this table, ki the scale of 1 inch to 60 miles map is 10 lakh, then 1 inch to 4 miles map is 2 lakh 50,000, 1 inch to 2 miles map is 1 lakh 25,000, and then 1 inch to 1 miles map is 1 inch to 50,000, right? Now you see, so it coming 2 to 1, that means half. So how it can become 50,000? That is the confusion here. This is okay, but I think कि हो सकता है कि for the but that won't happen na, because if when we dividing the to 1 lakh 25,000 into suppose 4 parts, okay, 4 parts, 1 inch to 2 miles, okay, we're dividing into 2 parts, we're dividing into 2 parts, so we can't get 50,000 na, we will get 75,000, and I don't know how it is calculated here, so I have to check it again, I mean from another sources, and if possible you can suggest me videos, resources and all. So I am stopping this video here, and thanks for watching.